Ladies and gentlemen, Kangana Ranaut's explosive revelations on The Nation Wants to Know this weekend has made the high and mighty Bollywood mafia, the clique, very uncomfortable. But tonight the spotlight is on the Mumbai police's investigation. Is it really an investigation or a cover-up? I have my doubts. In the Sushant Singh Rajput case, there are questions over evidence tampering and selective summons. No cover-up will be allowed in the Sushant Singh Rajput case, the Mumbai police should know. The people of India are watching. Here are the new details and then we debate.
Why Mumbai police is not summoning Aditya Chopra, Karan Johar, Rajiv Masan, Mahesh Bhatt?
Her interview telecast over the weekend has set the cat among the pigeons.
These people who are just emotional vultures, they just want to see people lynched. What they did to Praveen Babi. Till this date, he's making a film on her illness time and time again. How much more he wants to sell her illness? In so many versions he's making. The same thing he's doing with Sushant Singh Rajput. So why Mumbai police is not summoning Aditya Chopra, Karan Johar, Rajiv Masan, Mahesh Bhatt?
And the focus was on the 36-day investigation carried out by the Mumbai police, the details of which are very hazy. In the afternoon on the 14th of June, Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead at his rented apartment in Mumbai's Bandra. Since then, 38 people have been interrogated, including his co-stars and top filmmakers like Sanjay Leela Bhansali and Shekhar Kapoor. It was only on the 34th day that the police questioned Yash Raj Films head Aditya Chopra for close to 4 hours over the alleged coercive contracts. The delay in summoning Aditya Chopra is not the only move that has raised eyebrows. A series of reports have raised questions over the Mumbai police's handling of the case. For example, there are claims that Sushant Singh Rajput changed his SIM cards 50 times in 1 month. Was this investigated? Subsequently, Delhi-based lawyer Ishkaran Bhandari has written to Mumbai Top Cop asking about the status of the electronic evidence in the case.
Has electronic evidence of everybody connected and incidental to them being seized or not being seized? Because there is statement on record that he changed his SIM cards 50 times. That is not ordinary behavior. All those SIM cards need to be seized.
There are reports of Sushant's house not being sealed after the death. If true, will the police assure there is no tampering of evidence?
जो शेखर कपूर जो कि डायरेक्टर है, उन्होंने कई ऐसे खुलासे सामने करते हुए नजर आए जिसमें उन्होंने कहा है कि 50 सिम कार्ड्स जो है वो सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के ओर से इस्तेमाल किए गए थे 1 महीने में। रोज़ाना यानी हर महीने में 50 सिम कार्ड सुशांत सिंह राजपूत जो कि चेंज कर रहे थे, इसका खुलासा नहीं किया गया। साथ ही सुसाइड जो नोट है वो भी मिसप्लेस है और जो अन्य जो एक डुप्लीकेट जो कीज़ है वो भी मिसप्लेस है।
There are many missing pieces in the puzzle. Mumbai police is facing some serious questions over its line of investigation and its selective interrogation.
They summoned me and I asked them to, because I'm in Manali, I said you can send somebody to take my statement.
So is there an attempt to shield the high and mighty in the film industry? Should Sushant Singh Rajput's death be probed by a central agency? And if the Mumbai police investigation is questionable, should a central agency take over the probe? Let's debate.